Let's go into the folder where we're doing all our work, and let's create a brand new folder called JavaScript. There we go. Now let's go into the folder and create a brand new text file called javascript.html. Now let's open it with our favorite text editor. In my case, I like to use Cite, but you're welcome to use Notepad or WordPad. To go a little faster here, I'm going to copy from the assignment that is online, and I'm just going to paste it here. So here's the heading that I copied from the assignment, and so just to go a little quicker here. Let's open up the document and see that yes, indeed, we just copied a heading of type 1. Now I'm going to paste some more that I also copied from the steps from the assignment online, so you can go on and copy straight from the assignment. So here is the first part was a piece of text that is plain HTML, and the second part is a text that is being written from JavaScript using the document.write command. All right, let's save and reload the document. There it is. So here's the first paragraph, the second paragraph. The first one is plain HTML. The second one, okay, here's the first paragraph. Here's the second paragraph. This one was written using the document.write command, which writes this piece of text. And the first one is just plain HTML. All right, so let's paste the second piece of the assignment, formatting text with JavaScript. Again, the first part of the assignment is to use just plain text to write a couple of pieces of text, and then use the JavaScript, to use document.write command to write HTML from JavaScript. All right, so here it is, showing that you can format text using plain HTML, or you can also format it from within document.write. Here's the document that I was copying from. I'm going to reload, save and reload. There it is, the formatting text, the first piece that is plain HTML, and the second part is formatted text from JavaScript. You can format text from HTML or from JavaScript, so what's the big deal? Well, here it is. Here's the second part, the next part of the assignment, and here's something that you cannot do with plain HTML is that you can create documents in JavaScript that are aware of time, things that change over time. So here it is, displaying the date and time with JavaScript, something that you cannot do with HTML. You need to go into JavaScript and here use the document.write command to write to the HTML a date object that contains date information. So let's save that and reload. Here we go. There it is. So displaying the date and time, that's plain HTML, and there it is. So the current time is, and see this piece of text? If you reload it, it changes every time you reload. So we've created a document that is aware of time, that changes every time you visit it. All right, so let's see. Yeah, so it changes over time. Let's go on to the next. Something else that you cannot do with plain HTML is arithmetics. Just adding 2 plus 2, you can't do in HTML. You need to go into JavaScript to do this kind of computation. So let's paste from the online assignment. We'll save that. Notice that we have a script command that uses document.write that adds two numbers, 2 plus 3 equals 5. There it is. So yeah, so this 5 is the computation of just a simple expression, arithmetic expression that you cannot do with HTML. Let's see, what else can you do that, with scripts that you can't do with HTML? Variables. Variables are something very useful also when you're doing computation, to be able to store intermediate data. Let's paste this here, and let's see, we can store values and say that A is equal to 3, B is equal to 4, and the result is C is equal to A plus B, and then print out the results. So let's see, let's reload the assignment. There we go. So 3 plus 4 is indeed 7. Again, this is just another example of using arithmetics from JavaScript. Very good.